Good morning, good morning, good morning, you amazing grade fours, and happy Friday. You have now been doing multi-digit multiplication for 3 whole weeks, and you guys are just amazing at it. Today, I'm going to do another example with you guys about standard algorithm. We're going to continue with large numbers, so 3-digit multiplication by 1 digit. I think that you guys will get this, but we're just here to help you along. And remember, if you need anything, we are here for you. This is just another example. So we're going to jump right into it because you guys have got this by now. So to start, our question today is going to be 624 times 2. Now, this looks a little bit scary. Maybe, maybe not. We're going to find out, okay? So just a reminder that we always write the big number first. If this was 2 times 624, it would be the exact same answer, but it's just a little easier for us. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by writing this in a stacked method. So what we're going to do is we're going to take 624, I'm going to write it like this, and we're just going to multiply it by 2. Voila, there's my question. So remembering that this is the ones place on our place value chart, this is our tens place, and this, of course, is our hundreds place. So we're going to jump right into this. I know that you guys have got this. We are going to start by doing our first question. So that's going to be 4 times 2. Okay, so we're going to write that over here, 4 times 2. And if you already said 8, you are so right. You are amazingly intelligent. We're going to take that 8 and we're just going to drop it down here. No regrouping required. Awesome, awesome. Okay. Next question we're going to do is we're going to take our 2 and we're going to multiply it by our other 2. I think we have got this. Okay. So we're going to do 2 times 2. Now this is a pretty easy question. We know that the answer is 4. So again, no regrouping required. We're going to just drop that down under this line, our product line, and no regrouping required. Our last question is going to be 6 times 2. So 6 times 2 is equal to 12. And we're just going to pop that in over here. So if you followed along and you did this question, you can see that our answer is indeed 1,248. Okay. Now we're going to do another one that's going to be a little bit bigger. This is a pretty simple question. So I apologize. I am just getting ready for the next question. I'm just going to turn that over. So let's say we want to do another question. What I'm going to do this question is I'm going to make it a little bit bigger and going to have some regrouping in it. So our question here is going to be 846 times by 4. Okay, that's quite a bit of a bigger number. We can already see that we are going to have to do some regrouping here. And that is okay. That is what we are made for. We are up for the challenge, okay? So we're going to start by rewriting this question, of course, in a stacked method. We're going to take our 846 and we're going to drop over here and write our 4. So our 6 and our 4 are in our ones place, tens place, and of course our hundreds place. We're going to start with our first question, which is going to be the 6 times 4. So I'm going to do that orange for you so you can see it. There you go. 6 times 4. We know you're amazing at your facts, so 6 times 4 is 24. So we've already got some regrouping right off the bat here, okay? So we understand that. What we're going to do over here is we are going to take our 4, drop it down over here. We're going to put our 2 up there. It's going to be a little bit of an addition question, okay? Then what's going to happen is we are going to do 4 times 4. Now 4 times 4 equals 16. Okay, we know that, but we also have a 2. So you can see that we have a 2 over here. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to add our 2 to it, which doesn't make it 16 anymore. It makes it 18. Sorry, I'm just going to write that down there. So we're going to drop it down. We're going to take our 8, put it over here. Then we're going to take our 1 and add it up here. Okay? Our last question is going to be 4 times 8. Okay? So we already know that 4 times 8 is equal to 32, but we also have a 1. So we need to add that 1, which equals 3. So we're going to put that 33 up here. And we now know that the answer to our question, 846 times by 4, is 3,384. Just a reminder, grade 4s, that if you need any help, please reach out to us. We are always here for you, and we want to help you. If you need a little bit of assistance with your multi-digit multiplication using the standard algorithm, we get it. It is a lot of numbers we've been throwing at you this week, and we just want you to know that you are phenomenal and fantastic and amazing and awesome. And every other word that we can use to describe you guys, we just think you're the best. Okay? Have an awesome Friday, you guys. Enjoy your last set of math questions for this week, and we will see you again next week. Okay, take care. Bye, love bugs.